Hi everyone. In this video, you will guide you to fixing no internet issues on Windows 11, 10, 8, 7, Vista, and XP. It's often a frustrating moment when you're connected to a router, modem, or Wi-Fi device to your Windows PC, and there is no internet. It may happen to anyone, even to me. First, you can try connecting the same modem, router, or Wi-Fi device with any other PC. If on another computer internet is working, then the problem is related to your PC only. You can try some more basic options such as resetting the router or modem and check if it solves the issue. You can even try to disable and enable the network connection. If your internet connection problem is not solved, try a new fix that is suggested in this video. How to fix the no internet issue on Windows 11 or 10. To fix the no internet issue, click on the Start button and type Network and Sharing Center. From the available results, click on View Network Computers and Devices to open the network window. Now, right-click on Network from the left side and select Properties. The Network and Sharing Center window will open. From the left side options, click on Change Adapter Settings. Select the Ethernet/Network/Wi-Fi adapter and right-click, and select Properties from the available options. Under the Network Adapters Properties, under the Networking tab, click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4. Now, click on the Properties button. On the Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4, Properties window, on the General tab, select both the options, obtain an IP address automatically and obtain DNS server address automatically. On the Alternate Configuration tab, select the Automatic Private IP address option. Navigate back to the General tab, and click on the Advanced button. On Advanced TCP/IP Settings, navigate to the DNS tab and uncheck the option Register this connection's addresses in DNS. Once you have unchecked Register this connection's addresses in DNS, click on OK, again OK, and then Close. Now check your internet connection, it should work 100%. The above-mentioned method can solve the no internet problem from Windows 11, 10, 8.1, 8, 7, Vista, and Win XP. Let me know via comment if the problem persists. Goodbye. See you in the next video.